Welcome back. In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to fold the traditional model of the pecking bird. It's a very simple design, and if you tip it up like this it falls down and pecks like that. Okay? To get started you can use any sheet of paper or you can use an origami square. If you've got a regular sheet of paper you can take the top edge and fold it down to the side to make a square. Simply take this triangle, fold it over, and then roll it towards the outside edge. And once the edges here are parallel, then use your bone folder to make the butterfly wings and crease along the edge like that to make a nice hard crease. Then take your scissors and cut off this bottom edge, and you can then use that bottom edge to make other little pecking baby birds. Okay? Once you have the origami square, you're going to start by making a kite base. I'm actually going to change my paper. You keep the same paper you're working with, but here is my square sheet. We're going to make the kite base. The kite base starts by taking this bottom edge here and doing a valley fold into the center line. Make sure you get right up next to the center line there, and then crease it nicely with your bone folder on both sides. Make sure not to cross over that center line. Then likewise you're going to take this edge here and fold it into the center just the same way. Make sure not to crease over the center line, but to line it right up with the edge. Then use your bone folder to make that crease nicely and stiffly like that. Then take this and valley fold it right along the center again, and you'll have a shape that looks something like this. Now this is forming the bottom edge of the bird here. So the top edge here where we have the point, you're going to valley fold this down like so to make the head. Okay, crease that nicely. Use your bone folder to make it a nice strong crease. Then we have to do what's called an inside reverse fold. If you lift this up, you'll see there's a crease here. If you open those two sides, you'll see that there are some folds. This is a mountain fold, this is a mountain fold, and this fold here is a valley fold. We need to reverse the valley fold and bring it out so it's a mountain, just like this. Now we have these two being mountain folds and this being a mountain fold in the center. If we reverse that crease and make it a valley fold and bring these 2 points together, our beak comes like that. And it turns into what we call an inside reverse fold. Okay, the inside reverse fold is very important and is one of those things that we really need to learn in origami. This one being a very simple one because there is many other inside reverse folds you will need to use as you go through our origami curriculum. Okay, and that is how you finish the pecking bird. And if you stand it up, and I tilt this over here so you can see it, it'll stand up like that, and then you let go and it will tilt down. And if your paper is stiff enough, you can then bring it back up and it will tilt down and do its pecking thing. With this smaller baby one I made, it's a little stiffer since the paper is smaller, and it will peck like that. Okay, and that is how you finish the traditional origami pecking bird.